Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots and lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of January, it is the Nomad Berlin Underground palette. I'll put a link in the description box down below. It will take you to the video, talks about how to enter that. I also have a huge one for my 1-year anniversary here on YouTube. I've got that giveaway going on. It includes a sold out Jeffree Star palette. And I can't wait to share that with you guys. So that link will also be in the description box down below. Today we are talking Causebox. I love Causebox. I don't think that Causebox gets the recognition that it really should, you guys. I think it's kind of one of those that are under the radar. I love when companies do the right thing. I love when people and companies do the right thing when nobody else is watching. That's what I love, and that's what I love about Causebox. Everything is cruelty-free. Everything is made with sustainable resources. They partner with people in Africa to build these coalitions that help these families survive there. I mean, it's amazing. Anyway, Causebox, if you're an annual member, you kind of like FabFitFun, you get more choices when you're an annual member. It's $49 a quarter. It does ship out seasonally, so this is the winter box. I do have a code that'll save you off a little bit off your first box. I'll put that link in the description box down below as well. Let's dive in and see what's in the winter box of Causebox. So I had to set it down because it was too heavy of a box, and I have kind of weakling arms. Working on that though, working on getting better arms. I also love that a lot of these products are made by female artisans, and I think that we should celebrate that as well. So the first product in here is from one of those artisan communities. You guys, this is the Imani Collective Woven Throw. You could have got it in a cream or slate, and I chose the cream color. It's a gorgeous heavyweight throw, lovingly loomed and hand finished by artisans in Jaipur, India. It does retail for $120. Guys, this blanket is huge. It is so soft, and I just want to curl up in front of a fireplace with this. It has these little pom-poms on the end. You know, and I think that the best part about this blanket is that it gave women the opportunity for months. They worked on all these blankets, and it gave them an income to be able to support their families, to be able to send their children to school. That's everything. That's what I want for my own. I only have one child. That's what I want for him, is to have the opportunity to go to college, make something of himself that he wants to. And that's what I wish for everybody out there. If you have a dream, go for it. This blanket here, I just read this, so I want to get these facts correct. So with the Imani Collective, this throw blanket employed 195 artisans in Jaipur, India for 4 months, allowed the partnership with Co-op to continue challenging social norms and creating meaningful work opportunities for women in their communities. Amazing, love, love, love it. So everybody got from Whitney Kearney a set of 2 mugs for a $35 value. The set of 2 custom-shaped mugs designed by Whitney Kearney proceeds support victims of domestic violence. These gorgeous mugs were hand-illustrated by Florida-based artist Whitney Kearney and exclusively shaped and sculpted from the bottom up. Whitney is known for abstract line movements and patterns, and for this delicate balance of textures and tone. These mugs designed were inspired by the female form, abstract poetry, and her timeless sense of style, Proceeds, this is what I love about this box, you guys. Proceeds from this product support Hubbard House and their efforts to save and change the lives of victims of domestic violence. As a survivor of domestic violence, Whitney Kearney knows the importance of an amazing support system where victims of abuse can find sanctuary and strength to carry on. We're honored to support Hubbard House in their efforts to provide victims of domestic violence and their families with safe shelter, counseling, job coaching, and services on their road to healing. These mugs are so beautiful. I've been drinking a lot more teas lately, and I can't wait to snuggle up with my blanket and have a warm tea. I also, for the holidays, I have some leftover, some Tom and Jerry's mix. Put a little bit of that in with a little bit of, it's called White Christmas, you guys. Find it at the liquor store. It's this brandy rum mix. Mix that with the Tom and Jerry's. Yummy! So there is a note about this one. So this says, a note about your winter box. We always strive to choose partners with the utmost commitment to quality. This season, Derma E proactively identified an unexpected production issue, and rather than risk sending you a less than perfect product, we worked to replace the portion of the Derma E moisturizing night cream with a comparable high quality favorites from the Derma E line. You can learn more about the replacement on the back of this card. So I ended up getting the Derma E Radiance Brightening Night Cream, a skin brightening antioxidant nighttime formula that helps reduce the looks of discoloration and age damage. It works overnight to brighten and smooth complexion with alpha arbutin and vitamin A. So I do have the Derma E Vitamin C Instant Radiant Citrus facial peel. So I already have this one, so this will be kind of good to go along with this night cream. I'm always looking for a night cream. I'm almost out of the one that's in my rotation right now, which is Clinique one. So I am happy to get this. I am so stoked for this. So this is a choice item. You could have either gotten the Sizu Cozy Comfortable Mittens and Artisan Direct Gold Serving Spoons, or the Samara Luxe Jewelry Box. And I did mention, that I only have one child. He is going to go, he's being in the process of being recruited right now to go run track and cross country in college. And so I know that I'm going to have a bunch, hopefully, can afford to go to a bunch of some of his away meets, and so doing a little bit more traveling. This says, Samara was born out of the need for modern essentials designed for minimalists that are 100% cruelty-free. Your jewelry case was created with attention to detail and comparison for all things living. We hope it's something that you're proud to use. Every jewelry case contributes towards providing solar-powered backpacks for children in East Africa through the initiative, the Solar Backpack. And what was happening is a lot of these kids were going home and trying to do their homework with kerosene lamps, and kerosenes are known to be carcinogenics. And so the solar backpacks, they charge on their way walking to school, and then they have the solar light to do their homework and everything else in the evenings. Here is what this looks like. This is stunning. So you can put a couple necklaces here. You can put some rings here and a couple earrings here. This is so pretty. So I love products like these that are just help organize yourself better. Who doesn't need more organization in their lives? I know that I do. I don't know if I said, but this does retail for $42. The vegan leather jewelry organizer with the most beautiful give back story, which was the solar backpacks, perfect for the home or for travel. So you could have gone either on this next choice, the Vita Daily Hair Serum or the Pure 4-in-1 Correcting Primer. I did choose the Pure Primer. And it's a primer made with aloe, coconut water, and probiotics. Energizes skin in the morning, rescues skin at night. Retails for $34. Can't wait to use this one. And lastly, you could have had the choice of the Machete Holiday Hair Clip Set or the Foxy Originals Mix and Match Stud Earrings. I chose the Machete Hair Clip Set. It's a set of 2 classic hair clips handmade in France and Italy out of premium materials that are sustainable. How pretty is this? I think I'm gonna throw this in one of my upcoming giveaways. So this does retail for $31, you guys. So I got stuff for me in here. I got stuff for you in here. What was your favorite item? I'm also going to be doing kind of a chatty get ready with me. Ask me any questions you want and I'll try and answer them. Leave those questions in the comments down below as well. I love Causebox. I think they are underrated and they do so much good. We need that in our world today. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It means the world to me when you guys like and subscribe. Subscribing is the only way that you can enter my giveaways. Hit that subscribe button twice. It'll turn on the notifications for you so you'll know when our upcoming videos are posted. I hope that you guys have a wonderful rest of your day and I will see you soon. Bye.